In this video, we're going to go over 3 things about the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and plug-in hybrid. I'm going to go over and cover what the cost examples could be of replacing the hybrid high voltage battery on something like a late model Toyota RAV4 Hybrid versus a late model Toyota RAV4 plug-in hybrid. I'm also going to go over and discuss why the pricing cost between the RAV4 Hybrid and plug-in hybrid battery replacement is so drastically different between the two. And in a little bit, I'm also going to talk about the shocking failure rate on these hybrid high voltage batteries. And if you want to know a little bit more in-depth info about how the Toyota hybrid system works, how to properly care for it, what to expect, how to potentially increase longevity and fuel efficiency, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to an ebook that you can get yourself later on. Let's start by discussing the regular Toyota RAV4 Hybrid high voltage battery. So I'm talking about the current hybrid system in, for example, the RAV4 LE Hybrid, Limited Hybrid, or even the XSE Hybrid Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 Hybrid comes with a smaller nickel metal hybrid battery pack, which still outperforms a lot of the competition when you're talking about fuel efficiency, horsepower, torque, and overall responsiveness on the throttle. Now, if you needed a high voltage battery replacement on your RAV4 Hybrid, there's 2 or 3 different avenues you can take, but I really only recommend one, which is the OEM battery from the dealership. Now, a source called Daily Car Tips suggests that the OEM battery could range, depending on the exact year and where you are from anywhere from around $3,000 up to $8,000 for a new OEM hybrid high voltage battery. Now, your second option is to get something that is slightly remanufactured or refurbished, maybe something from another source, which could save you potentially a few $1,000s, averaging around $1,500 to $3,500 plus installation. But again, you could be saving money up front, but costing yourself more money down the road. This includes also getting something used or salvaged and rebuilt, which I just wouldn't recommend. From a cost perspective, you have the actual physical battery itself, which I just stated the ranges of what to expect. And then you have the labor to actually get the installation and job done, which Daily Car Tips suggests that labor can range anywhere from around $500 to $1,000. Now, again, this depends on exactly where you're from, where you're located, and what exactly your case is on your RAV4 Hybrid. So in short, expecting a hybrid high voltage battery replacement cost of around $2,500 all the way up to $8,000 or $9,000 can be something realistic to expect. But keep in mind, Toyota has a super high reliability rate on their high voltage hybrid batteries. I don't recall us having to replace one where I'm at. And even if you do run into any potential issues, keep in mind the manufacturer warranty is super strong on the hybrid related components, all the way up to 10 years. So that is something to definitely consider and give you a strong peace of mind when buying a RAV4 Hybrid or plug-in hybrid. Now, before I go over this comparison, I want to just touch on Toyota's extremely low failure rate on their hybrid high voltage batteries for vehicles like their RAV4 Hybrid or plug-in hybrid. Keep in mind, I do get a lot of comments on my videos on my channel asking about this question. You know, what's it like? What kind of funds am I looking at if I have to replace the battery? So the concern and the worry is there, but I can assure you, after giving you these numbers, Toyota's hybrid high voltage batteries are definitely made to last. A study by the US Department of Energy via recurrent data found that only 1.5% of electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid vehicles required a battery replacement since 2011. And for model year hybrid vehicles that are 2016 and newer, the failure rate was actually less than 1%. The key takeaway here is that battery failure or a need to do a full battery replacement is extremely rare, especially on the more modern later model Toyota hybrid vehicles. Toyota employs such technology like shallow cycling, advanced thermal management, and battery control systems to help stretch that battery lifespan. Before I get over to talk about what the replacement costs can look like on a plug-in hybrid Toyota vehicle like a RAV4, let me talk to you about the sponsor of today's video in case you might be watching this video because you're interested in a hybrid Toyota vehicle like a RAV4, which means you could possibly be driving right now a non-hybrid Toyota vehicle. And if that's the case, you're definitely eligible to get yourself a set of mats from LastFit, who is the sponsor of today's video. LastFit makes a fantastic OEM alternative all-weather floor mat, which is made from a premium TPE material that combines the properties from both rubber and plastic, so it's not too firm and it's not too stiff, and it's available for a wide range of non-hybrid Toyota vehicles like the Toyota RAV4, Toyota Tundra, and more models. Check out the link in the description below. LastFit is also running a promo during the month of August, so you can get yourself an additional discount. LastFit makes these mats via laser cut precision, which gives you tighter cornering and higher edges, giving you far more protection from the OEM mats. Okay, when you're talking about the RAV4 Prime or plug-in hybrid, it does use a much different high voltage battery. The plug-in hybrid Toyota RAV4s use a larger lithium-ion traction battery, which does increase the cost if you have to replace one. Now, I have a few different sources that state a number of various different prices to replace a hybrid high voltage battery on a plug-in Toyota RAV4, and the prices definitely vary, but they are definitely more than the non-plug-in hybrid Toyota RAV4. For example, RepairPal.com suggests a full Prime battery replacement to cost anywhere between $18,875 up to just over $19,000, whereas forums and community reports such as Top Speed suggest around $10,000 for a full battery replacement, excluding labor. A Toyota RAV4 plug-in hybrid owner on Reddit reported that their local dealership quoted right around $12,000 to have their hybrid high voltage battery replaced. So in terms of a comparison between the HEV and the PHEV, you can probably calculate the cost to replace that battery would be close to double on the plug-in hybrid versions. Okay, so really, why such a difference on the non-plug-in versus the plug-in? Well, it breaks down to around 5 different reasons why plug-in hybrids are more expensive to have a battery replacement done. Starting with the battery size and capacity, the HEV version of the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid packs a 0.9 kilowatt hour nickel metal hybrid battery, whereas the RAV4 Prime or plug-in hybrid employs a much larger 14.9 kilowatt hour lithium ion traction battery, which in turn drives the cost up due to the capacity and overall complexity of the plug-in hybrid battery. Another item is the overall battery chemistry and technology between the HEV and the PHEV. Lithium-ion packs involve more advanced modules, cooling systems, and power electronics, driving up the overall parts cost. Another reason why is the overall supply and parts availability of the HEV battery and the PHEV battery. Overall, hybrids and the hybrid technology from Toyota has just been around longer, and the technology is more common and has a lower cost for remanufacturing, whereas the lithium-ion high traction battery pack that is on the plug-in hybrid is far more rare and more specialized of a material. Also keep in mind another topic and reason is the overall labor and complexity. Prime or plug-in hybrid battery replacements might require additional modules, auxiliary systems, and higher voltage safety procedures, which in turn could raise the overall labor costs. So yes, if you had to replace the hybrid high voltage battery on your Toyota RAV4 hybrid or plug-in hybrid, it could get costly, but keep in mind 2 things: a fantastic backed warranty from Toyota from the manufacturer, and an extremely low failure rate. So you can definitely buy a Toyota hybrid vehicle or any electrified Toyota vehicle with confidence. I hope you all enjoyed this video topic and review. I hope I answered some unanswered questions. Leave a comment in the comment section if you have any questions. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.